Happy Thanksgiving, kings and queens. So I've been brining my turkey for over 16 hours and I'm going to season it. So to season my turkey, I'll be using a stick of butter, my all-purpose seasoning, oregano, thyme. We have here rosemary. Of course, my chicken pollo. I'll be, grating some of the rind of the lemon. We have garlic here. And I have the onions, carrots, and celery that I'm going to stuff my turkey with. I'm also going to add some parsley. And I'm going to blend all of that together. Everything here is going to be blended except for the carrots and the celery. I apologize for my voice. I've been under the weather. And I woke up with this very, horrible voice. But bear with me. So this is how we are going to season our turkey that we've been brining for over 16 hours. So let's do it together, guys. Okay, beautiful people. So to my blender, I'm going to add my parsley. Because we're making a garlic herb seasoning for our turkey. I'm going to add my thyme and my rosemary in there. I'm going to add my garlic. We are also going to add the oregano. This is the oregano. We'll add some oregano in there. This is my all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to add that in there too. I'm going to grate the rind of my lemon. So we're grating this. You want to grate us. Not too much, just we want that hint of citrusy in that garlic herb seasoning. So I feel like that is good enough. That's all I used. Not too much. We're going to add some of this chicken pollo. Oops. I am also going to add some of my Lady Deli special hot sauce, and this is the vegan kind because it has a lot of herbs in it. So it's perfect for this. We just need a little kick to it. So we're going to add a spoon of that. So to blend, instead of adding water, we're going to add olive oil. Olive oil also helps our herbs and our herbs to stick to the turkey. And also, it gives it a little crispiness on the skin. So it's always good to use that. So we are going to put the top on, move this away, and we are going to blend. Sorry about the noise. All right, guys. So now this is our roasting pan. We're going to transfer our turkey in here, and we're going to tuck the wings underneath. Tuck those wings underneath your turkey. You don't want it flying everywhere. And the legs, I don't have a thread, so I'm going to stick it here. I'm going to put the rest of my seasoning that went into this pan, on here. And I'm also, a lot of it went in here. We don't want that, we want it on the turkey. So guys, at this point, we're going to pour some butter that was melted all over the turkey. All over. And you could turn it around if you want, but I'm just going to do it this way. And probably that should be good enough. I'm just going to pour it all over this way. And I'm going to stick some of this in there. These are my herbs. I'm going to stick them in here. I'm going to stick some celery in here. And some onions in the cavity, some lemon, some carrots, more celery, and more onions. We are going to stick this in the oven at 375. And for every pound of turkey is 15 minutes to bake it. Our turkey is about 13 pounds, so it's going to be in there for 3 hours and 15 minutes. Guys, you got to be able to do some math to be able to cook turkey. And I'm also going to, pour some olive oil all over. That makes your turkey skin very crunchy and juicy. Guys, can you imagine how great this turkey is going to be tasting? Ooh, my, oh my, yummy in my tummy. So now, all right, guys, so before we stick our turkey in the oven, we're going to add a half cup of water, and you just put it on the side, and a half cup of chicken stock. And this is the kind I'm using. Chicken stock can be found in any grocery store. We're also going to add a half cup of that. Then I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper all over. And some pink Himalayan salt all over. Okay? And our turkey. One more thing, guys, that I almost forgot is my paprika.
And here's your carrots.
Paprika, guys. Sprinkle it with some paprika. And ta-da! Here we go. Our garlic herb turkey is ready to go into the oven. Let me open my oven. And we're sticking this in the oven at 375 for 3.5 hours because our bird is 13 pounds. Actually, I'm sorry, guys. We have to cover this with foil. So, guys, do not forget to put a foil over your turkey before you stick it in here. So, for 3 hours and 30 minutes, the last 30 minutes, I'll take the foil off and allow it to cook and brown all over. Okay?